guys, back again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How are you? Are you like doing that thing? The EMP thing? So, I'm bored. So am I, and my camera is like messed up. Oh yeah. Awesome Domino shoot box. Look at it. It's freaking The Dark Knight. Isn't that random? Oh, that's what that is. Did they seriously like show them? Or did you just have that? I don't know. There's some dominoes. I can ask him. But whatever. I thought that was sweet. I am slow. So, listen to this story. What is flow? Everyone starts somewhere. In the universe of skateboarding, a multitude of kids are curious as some skaters landed in video games, on cereal boxes, and TV broadcasts. We all need something to aspire to furthermore, a means to get us there. Low sponsorship is that first step in to achieving such dreams in attainable reality. Okay, that's enough. A good attitude and an undying love to skate. The West 49 Flow Team is a diverse collection of Canadian talent addicted to skateboard. Canada rocks, by the way. What do you think when you think of Canada? Nick Jonas. Nick Jonas. What do you think about when you hear the Jonas Brothers? Sexy, amazing, talented, my life. Inspiring. Yes. Again. Nick, Kevin, and Joe. Diet Dr. Pepper. I was like, ew. I'm really uncomfortable. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, let's not get distracted by that. Yeah, I just, my eyes. Talk to you. If anyone is watching, of course. Yeah, like, who's gonna watch this? Like, if you watch this, comment on it, please. So you know, we'll love you. And if you guys like have requests of videos, cause sometimes we get bored. We do, and like, what do you want to say about me? I don't know. I have to be at 12-ish. I don't know. She said she'd call me at that time. When she come together? I don't know. She said she'd call us at 12. I sleep till like 4. That Bethel was amazing. You're saying some ball? All I could hear. I was about to friggin' spaz, and then I rolled over it, and I had no idea where I was. Oh, fair enough. I was like, where the hell am I? Because. Stop. When they can even see us, like, I'm... It's fine. So you stopped and it threw that like thing with your mom? Yeah, you like yelling at me because I wouldn't drink it. You're like, you need it! I was like, no, I'm like, I need a helmet. What? Last night. You probably can remember. I remember there was a towel on my floor today. Oh, I'm joking. So, you're really bugging me, because you're leaning on me and I'm just like slowly going this way. Well, you're like, nah. Stop.
silly.
So it was one time at band camp.
This one time at fat camp.
Oh, that's probably not very funny. Sorry.
I take that back. Good story.
Oh, we went to fat camp. Believe it or not. Cuts me my wrist.
Your ankle.
What? My ankle?
Nothing.
I have a spider bite on my ankle.
I'm falling. I'm falling. Never mind.
What? So no, seriously, just one time I ate a whole bag of chips. Oh, she was kind. Oh!
I freaking... Never mind.
What is this? Oh, you know what we should do?
What?
That video.
What video?
In the shower?
Oh, yeah, okay. Bye, guys.